everybody. This is HTML tutorial. If you're on a promo website, then this is how you program websites. Okay, so I'm gonna make this file on my server. If you don't have a server, you have to make it on your desktop or something. So the first thing you want to do is open the folder in terminal, and then you're gonna go into we're gonna use Xedit for this because you can edit C code, but also edit HTML and gives you the formatting and stuff. It's actually kind of cool. Okay, so X. And all the cool people use Xedit. And I got rid of title bars because title bars are bloat. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is tell it this in HTML document. You have to do this twice. I don't know which one is capitalized. I forgot that a long time ago. And so you're gonna do and the next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna make a header and a body. So because that's how a person is organized, is how the HTML is too. And the between the head and body is the head is disappeared, and the body is the stuff that actually goes in the document. And if you go and the inspect element on modern websites, then you view the source, you always see a divs inside of divs inside of divs inside of divs. So we're not gonna be left behind in that dust of the modern age, and we're gonna do that too. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna okay, so that's done, and we have a modern website. And then you're gonna want to add a span for good measure. And you're gonna give the ID something like this. Because if we make people think that we used a framework, then it'll be really cool. Look at that, we already look like Google.com. Okay. Wait, hold on. Oh man, OBS is gonna kill my computer again, isn't it? Okay. And then so we're gonna make this website about frogs, cause if you don't make a website about frogs, then you're from the CIA and you're okay, so to make the website about frogs, you have to put in the title. If you want put the tab. Okay, so the first, to make a header, you're gonna want to put a and what H1 is, it's the first header, so any header that's at a bigger number that is a subheader, and helps blind people look at your document because they can't see, but they can see headers and whatnot, and it also makes your site reader mode in Firefox. And you can also do it in actual browsers that most people use, like Links. And this is a good time to start up Links too, because we can look at the web pages as we make it. And so if you don't know about, if you don't have your own server, then you can just open up the HTML file on your browser, and it works like that. But if you have a server, you just go to your server URL and then put the thing in there. So I have links to Okay, I forgot to save it. What? Wait, because we didn't put any text. Okay, so this is about frogs. And we're gonna put a paragraph. The way you do it is by typing P. We're peeing all over our HTML document right now. I know for the frog about, you're gonna put about frogs. So what do you think frogs are? I don't know what frogs are. I've never seen one. I'm gonna guess. And that's how frogs are. And then we're gonna do description of frogs, so like what they look like. I don't know what they look like, but I'm gonna guess. I make an educated guess because it's like a hypothesis in like science class. Okay, so like we're gonna make another H1. And this is an H2 because it's not our. It's like, even though it's like our second header, it's like not the subheader. Okay, so we're gonna do like description of frogs. So like, what do they look like? Okay, so this is the description, and we're gonna pee on the document again. And then what do you think frogs look like? So I think they look like and this is how the frogs are, they look like. And so you're gonna click save, and what? Okay, you're click Control R to reload the page, and this is your web page right here, and you can see it centers like the header and like the paragraph. And we can also open up this page in like Firefox, and and this is how the frogs are. So there's some frogs in warning. What? What? Okay. Okay, that didn't exist. Don't pay attention to that. Okay, so a Firefox is differently. You know, like when we do a Firefox, we can put images in it because it's more complicated. So, like, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look up images of frogs, and we're gonna do this together, and it's gonna be a spiritual moment. We need to find a better search instance because, like, some of the images don't show up. We're gonna find the best image of the frogs. And oh, that's kind of gross. It shows their insides. Fuck, I need to find a better search instance. What the fuck is this? This is the best image of frogs. Okay, we're gonna save it to downloads and just drag it to the server because for some reason it doesn't want me to put it directly in the server because Flatpaks. I hate Flatpaks. Flatpaks is a Flatpak and I want to reinstall it. Okay, so that's index.jpg. And so we're gonna keep track of what that file is called. And we're gonna do Alright, there we go. And we're gonna do control. Wait. Are you what? Wait a minute. Is it? Oh, it's because of text browser. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so we're gonna go back here and we're gonna reload the page. And you see we got the picture of a frog. I think I made a mistake. Because frogs, that's not a tiny man. I think the government's lying to us, and that's like a bad picture. But anyway, yeah, this is like how to like make a website in HTML if you like want to do more. Like, there's probably like a man page for it, but I don't care enough to discuss that. So like, okay, goodbye, and like subscribe to my channel if you want to videos on like the videos on YouTube. Okay, goodbye.